Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to change the alarm sound on the Samsung Galaxy A16. Now to do that, just open the clock app. Now from here just tap on the plus icon to add an alarm. Now from here just set your alarm. Now from here just tap on alarm sound. Now from here you can either choose a song from Spotify if you have Spotify on your smartphone, or you can choose ringtone. Now from here you can choose an alarm sound from the default alarm sounds on your smartphone. Or if you want to add a custom alarm sound, for example, if you want to set a music as your alarm sound, just tap on plus. Now from here you can select the music which are downloaded on your smartphone. For an example, we will choose this one. Now from here just tap on done. Now from here, once you have selected your alarm sound, just go back. Now from here, go back and tap on save. And this is how you can change the alarm sound on your Samsung Galaxy A16. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.